Hey there, RD here from Pro Traders Network, and today in front of us we have the Chainlink daily chart. We're going to take a look at Chainlink and where it's going and where it's heading, where are the resistance levels as well as where are the support level. Okay, a little bit about myself. I'm based in Singapore and I've been trading since 1999 and have gone through a couple of crisis situations in terms of dealing with the financial markets, the dot-com bust in the year 2000 as well as the 2008 financial crisis and the most recent pandemic bust. Right now in front of me, okay, is the Chainlink daily chart. So guys, if you are actually trading Chainlink or if you are an investor of Chainlink, you might be wondering where price is going and what are the next steps that you should be taking, or if you have no Chainlink with you right now, would you want to buy Chainlink? Alright, so let's look at the support and resistance levels. First, I'm just going to draw some lines here guys so that you can see where the support and resistance levels are. Okay, Chainlink is definitely an interesting project, right? It has a lot of potential, right? I don't actually cover Chainlink's fundamentals and the project details itself. I basically prefer to just look at the price action itself, and if you want to do more research, you can find a lot of YouTube videos out there talking about Chainlink, right? So without further ado, let's take a look at where Chainlink has gone and where it might go to, right? So the all-time highs for Chainlink is at the $54 level, and after that we saw that price actually moved all the way down, right, for a retracement, and the lows for Chainlink is at this level of $13.51, and I can actually also draw a slanting line to show you guys that okay, it went inside this particular triangle here, a descending triangle, and after that we saw a breakout, right? This is the breakout, a breakout at these levels around $16, in which happened just on the 22nd of July, right? It's about just less than a month, and so price decided to actually move higher from here, and we see that there is some resistance here, because as you can see, my purple line, which is a 200 exponential moving average, is proving is acting as a resistance at this point, and however it was short-lived and we saw that price continued higher, and currently we have resistance at around the $30.88 zone, right? So $30 basically is a round number guys, right? Round numbers do act as resistance and support as well, right? So you need to understand this particular technical analysis principles, right? Because support and resistance is not just horizontal lines. We can have slanting line support and resistance, all right, and we can also have round number support resistance, and another one basically we can have confluence of several things, technical indicators like Fibonacci tools and moving average coming together at one point and providing a confluence for support and resistance. All right, so at this point guys, all right, we see that the trend is still on the upside, and price managed to actually, right now it is actually retracing lower, right? And you can see that it bounced off the 9 EMA here, right, this particular point here, and below we have the 200 EMA that might actually prove as support, and from here if price can bounce up, we can see the potential support level at this level here, which is around the $35 zone. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking at, we're going to be observing in the next couple of days, whether first of all whether this particular zone is well supported, and if it does, we want to see price go towards $34, right? However guys, also we got to be transparent on what will happen if certain price support levels are broken, right? So if this is broken, I would say that the next support level will be at the $13.51 level. However, if this particular support fails to hold, we can actually foresee a possible breakdown towards a lower price, and that is then basically we have a bearish structure, and instead of looking for upside, we might be looking for the downside. However, at this point in time, I wouldn't say that we are in that mode yet. We are still in a bullish phase, and we want to see prices going up towards $34 after bouncing off from the lows of the current levels around 25, right guys? So Thank you so much for actually tuning into Pro Traders Network, and and also don't forget to actually subscribe to our channel if you think that our videos is something that that will benefit you. And yep, hope to see you in the next video. RD signing out.